Hello guys, welcome to another video, and as you can see I have another package here for you guys, and this is also going to be part of my mechanical pencils series. And yeah, so let's go ahead. I'm not going to turn it around because I got my shipping information on here, so let's just go ahead and open this up and see what we have here. So actually there's two of them here. So this is the rotating, let's see here, rotating 600.7 millimeter. It's full metal silver retractable refillable mechanical pencil. So it actually comes with this cool little triangle box. That's pretty neat. And here it is. And let's see here, it's actually clipped on. There it is. Okay, so wow, it actually feels really nice. Full aluminum. So you can actually rotate on here to kind of show what lead you actually got loaded on here. One focus. So you can actually just take and rotate it to which one you have on here. Of course, I didn't pay attention to what it was. I don't remember what it was set at. But anyhow, let's see here. So that's just that there. Okay. So the clicking function is actually pretty solid. It advances the lead really well. And is there actually an eraser on here? There is an eraser on here, and let's see how much lids there is in here. There's a few lids in here. This mechanical pencil actually feels really good in the hands. Pretty sturdy. It actually feels a lot like my GraphGear 1000. Let's see how this feels when I write on it. So zoom in here for you guys so you guys can kind of see. Wow, feels really nice when you write with it. Really nice. Let's see how the eraser. Eraser seems to be not too bad. It kind of still leaves a little bit of residue on the page. And the eraser kind of stays pretty clean. Okay, so that's that one. So that was the rotating 600. Okay, and now let's take a look. The other one should be the GraphGear 500. So I got the GraphGear 1000, and now I actually picked up model 500 here. I'll be making a video comparing the two down a later road here. Oh, this is nice too. And this one here feels like it's kind of plastically. Like it's not all metal, it's almost like plastic. But it feels really nice on the hand too. Yes, this is the GraphGear 500 from Pentel. Is there any LEDs inside? There is. Clicking sounds pretty very solid. See here the eraser. So this has got a really long cap to it, so I'm assuming that this eraser, yeah, see the eraser is really long too, and I believe on the GraphGear 1000 it's the same thing. How much LEDs are in here? So there's a couple in here plus the one that's attached to the bottom. Okay, let's see how this feels like on the hand when I write with it. We'll take it over here, I guess. And, let's see here. Zoom this in a little bit more so you guys can actually see. Okay. Actually, it's really nice to write with. I could write with this all day. Same thing with this one over here. See how this eraser is? It's about the same. See how if it actually doesn't get dirty at all? That's a good thing. There you go. That's pretty much the quick unboxing and my first impressions of both of these mechanical pencils. So there you go. And later down the road I'll be doing a full comparison between all the other mechanical pencils and stuff that I have here. So that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe. Just a reminder that I got a giveaway running right now. Watch my 1,000 subscribers celebration to get full details about that. And till the next video, goodbye.